Hello everybody, welcome to another Femoid's Guide, and today we're going to be doing Femoid's Guide to being an e-girl. You see, it's very hard to be an e-girl because most girls can't pull this off. So, the first step is you gotta make a TikTok. Yes, like, you actually have to make a TikTok because all the e-girls have TikToks. You gotta do all the stereotypical e-girl TikToks. You gotta do the peppermint TikTok. You gotta do the doctor TikTok. You gotta do Mia Khalifa. But yeah, you gotta do all those TikToks and you gotta get a bunch of fans on TikTok. Okay, next step is you gotta wear your hair up. Or you just have to have like a kid hairstyle because it seems as if all these e-girls like to fetishize younger girls and so not, and whatnot. Okay. So next you're going to have to be really loud and annoying. Now this is really easy for me because everybody says I'm loud and annoying. And you gotta be able to be down with the jokes about being a woman and being in the kitchen, because if you're gonna be on TikTok, you're gonna see a lot of those jokes, and you gotta be okay with it. Let's see. The next thing you have to do is have braces, which, yeah, I have braces, and my friend, Dob, likes to tell me that I have train tracks. Don't let that get to you because guys will want to get with you even if you have train tracks. 11 out of 10. Next thing you gotta do, well, this is an extra option. You can wear glasses. Most e-girls have glasses as an accessory, but I am actually really blind, so I'm not going to take these off, and I probably look hideous without them, but yeah. I have a sticker on my face, so you can put like stickers and stuff, and I'm wearing a necklace with my name on it, so, and I'm wearing a Minnie Mouse t-shirt, so just wear like girly type clothing, and I don't know, act really girly, and look at a lot of anime girls. I don't know. Let's see. And now, good e-girls know this. You have to let your DMs be open, because if you don't, none of the guys are gonna want to, like, talk to you and watch your videos and look at your photos if you do not respond to them. So you gotta be nice to all of the r/nice guys and the incels. Then you gotta take like aesthetically pleasing photos. Yeah. I have absolutely no idea how to end this, so yeehaw.